manje khona into entsha engiyibona empilweni yami but ekuqaleni uma wamakethi isindiswane nganga-understand because benginalento yokuthi hayi izono ezincane musilezi mina engizenzayo zokutshontsha ushukela izono ezingenama-charges amakhulu lezo uyabona kanti to be saved it's a decision and it's a personal decision for a fact awusindiswa ngoba ekhaya bayakholwa noma no abakholelwa nawe kumele uvume ngomlomo wakho as Romans chapter 8 says. So fast forward I go to eklasini ngibuya ukusindiswa that Monday ngiya eklasini Tuesday. Something tremendous happened. Eklasini ku grade 6 sasijwayele ukubala ama number si count ama alphabets. There were moments where the teacher would just call and say isho ama alphabets yabona. But I wasn't that fluent at that time. Ahlangana noJesu kwavele kwavuleka amehlo. Kwafika isikhathi before break la uthisha ethi sifunde ama alphabets. Ngawasho ngathi A for apple, B for banana, all those vowels. Yeah. Baba i-break. Ngathi mangibuye breakini uthi uthisha buyela eklasini yongilandela isikhaftini. Bengumntana nje uthumekayo vele eklasini. Ngathi mangena eklasini ngazwa inye presence. Le ngayizwa mangibeka izandla ngiqeda ukusindiswa. Eqinisweni I didn't fall. Ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ivangeli engalithola laba personal ngendlela yami. Azange futhi ngikhale ngoba ngeke ngibabone esontweni bekhala. Yeah, ngeke ngibabona bewa. So kwangenza ngibe sound ekuthenini ukuthi ukuze uthola amandla akudingi nokuthi uzuwe.
Yes.
Akudingi nokuthi uzukhala.
That's correct.
Ngathi ngithi ngiyalibheka i-chart lashintsha i-chart. U-A kwabhalwa alpha. U-B kwabhala bright morning star. At that time I couldn't articulate but I knew what was written there. And I became fluent and exceptional at school. So I'm saying salvation is a protection guard. Yeah, isivikelo. Kakhulu makufika ubungcwele kuba yi-bonus because holiness is also a protection. Fast forward ekhuleni kwami ke ngikhula ngilo mntwana but uma umesha ufakazi bami uthi uma eqeda ukushada for 3 years she couldn't conceive. Wenza isithembiso kuNkulunkulu ukuthi lo mntwana ozonginikeza yena ngizomthembisa kuwe. Igama lika Sithembiso liqhamuka lapho.